we are going from here to Gateway of India. Yep, that will be that over there, and that's your Wellington Fountain. It's cool. Let's move. INS Vikram's replica. Okay. Let's keep moving in this direction. That will take me to Gateway of India. Yep. Sunday and crowded. Going to take the road over here rather than the sidewalk because it's way too crowded. Let's go, let's go. So, like I said, the whole area is awesome. You can see the traffic on a Sunday afternoon at Gateway of India. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Well, okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Almost there. There. Last. Well, I think I'll pass. Just record it from the outside because the crowd. Anyways, let's go roundabout. Chalo. Let's go about the turn. Come on, move. Wow. I got bumped into people. It's crazy. Sunday. Well, walking is a nightmare. You see that? better if I don't take the walkaway paths because crowds. Crowds. But anyways, it's Taj Hotel and we will see Beauty of India from here. Finally we are here. Yes. Oh. Finally done. Why is it so... I just spoiled 3 people's pictures. Anyways, the pigeons and the gateway. Okay, moving on. Okay, let's move. Yeah. Okay. Is there a free space? Whoa. Nice. Let's start off again and keep walking in this direction. I did not expect it to be this crowded today, but I guess winter season and a Sunday. So we will try to walk as far as we can because the heat is just unbearable. Yeah, you can use that lane as well to, I'll show you. Anyways. Yeah, sure. Let's keep moving. Look at that. Imagine living in these houses where you have that side as your home and this view. Every morning you wake up. Also, this road is used for shooting the most, obviously this location is used for shooting movies and has appeared in countless films, and you can watch them in almost any movie that is based in and around Mumbai. Anyways, let's keep walking. Look at that. Wow, beautiful, right? And the whole sea is bobbing the ships. And we have left the crowd behind because nobody wants to come this far. They're just crowded back over there near the Gateway of India for clicking the pictures. Anyways, what I do like is how these pillars line up, and many films have been shot during the day, during the night, for that aesthetic shot in the movies. And that's your gateway in the distance. You see. I think most of these buildings are hotels. Yeah. Some of them are houses. Not bad. That's Strand Hotel. Cool. And that's Bombay Presidency Radio Club in the distance. I think I'm going to turn around, or rather I can use that lane to join the Colaba causeway. Either way. Awesome. Let's take in the view. You can see that. I think that's the Elephanta island, and on to the right, on to the left is your Gateway of India. Awesome. Now, as with any other tourist place, Mumbai is no exception. The garbage, the filth, and the incessant pollution caused due to various activities just breaks my heart. It's a tourist destination and a city that I love, so we all need to take care of our beautiful city, Mumbai.